unfortunately, the footage I took of this earlier, I lost, sadly, so I'm just going to show you again. So this is from Glamour Dip. This is the first package I got, which was the set. It's got Bond, Base, Seal, Glow, Heal, and Soak, as well as 6 colors and this funky little tool here. This one, and 2 nail files, different grits. So yes, I've used them already, that's why they look awful. A 100, 180, and a 240, 240. And then this fluffy brush, which again, I have used. I also brought a second box with just extra colors. And I'll show you all the colors in a minute. These are all the colors with the remover stuff that comes with it. And then when I first ordered this package, I received everything except the tips, which are here, and you'll see in a second how quickly they came. Kudos to this group because they've done a fabulous job. So all the colors I got. Here's the instruction manual, just in case. This is the white one, it's called Pillow Talk. This is the blue, it's called Trainwreck. This one is, it's like a pinky color. It's called Awakening. It's more pink when you put it on. This is the clear coat. This one is a silver one. It's called Boy Bye. This one is a nude. It's called Prima Donna. This is called Yours Truly. Another like nude, but more of on the pink, like a pink nude. This one is like a purpley color. It's called Trophy Wife. This one is like a deep red, and I can't remember what the color name is, but I will tell you in a minute. And this one, which is called Blackout. There you go, that's all the colors. That's the whole set. Super, super happy with this brand. Glamour Dip, everything is vegan, cruelty-free, Australian made and owned, and it's also all made from recycled products and is recyclable itself. So I love that about them, and I will definitely be shopping with them again. This is my nails at the moment. I did them in blue, still learning how to do it. This is just my normal nails, not with the tips, and I'll show you how to do the tips now. Okay, so I told you guys earlier that I was missing the nail tips, so I quickly emailed the company and they answered me in honestly record time. It was so quick. And then they offered me a free color as well, which I thought was so lovely. So I got the color Peachy and Express Post, and I think it's gonna be here tomorrow. Like, that's how quick it's gonna come. So pretty happy with that one. Well done, guys, on your customer service as well. Recommending this brand before I've even tried their nails. Now I'm gonna go and do them. Okay. It came super quick. It's been like 1.5 days. Like, it's today's Friday, and on Wednesdays when I received the original package, I contacted them. They rectified the issue on the day, sent it out on the day, and I received it 2 days later. That is service. And again, it has been beautifully bubble wrapped. Just going to get it open. That little card, so cute, and it feels cool. I don't know how to explain how it feels, but it feels cool. And bubble wrapped inside is my extra color. They're so lovely that they sent me a second color, or another color. This is called Peachy, and this is it. As a sorry I guess, for not getting the whole package the first time. And this was the bit I've been waiting for. So this is them, Natural Soak Off Nail Tips, 100 pieces, 10 sizes. So if I just open the little thing, they might have moved around a bit. These two, I'm assuming, are in. But anyways, we shall see how we go. But I did it! How cute do they look? I used Prima Donna as the nude one, and this one's called Positivity, this like dark red color. They're so cute! I think I did good. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want more videos like this, then let me know. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks guys, bye! So I've had my nails on for a few weeks now, and they are starting to get a bit cracked on the bottom here and lifting a little bit. I didn't quite file them properly at the ends. Anyways, so we're gonna take them off and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Officially done. Going to clean up my nails and I'm gonna do them again. Ooh.